Welcome, my name is Black Lotus, your YouTube script kiddie, and this is exercise number 5, list overlap from practicepython.org. And this exercise will suffice for exercise 5, 7, and 10. I looked ahead a little bit, in fact, quite a bit, and these three questions are basically the same thing, just asked very different ways. So I'm just going to answer it in the most efficient way that I can. And it says, take two lists and write a program that returns a list that contains only the elements that are common between the list without duplicates. Make sure the program works on lists of two different sizes. So I'm going to take these two lists here and paste them in. And this question is basically asking, do you know what a Venn diagram is from your math days? Because a Venn diagram is where you take a group of numbers from two different sources or multiple sources, but in this case two. And in the middle you put where the numbers have an intersection, and then on the sides you have the unique values for those lists. So in this example, a very simple example that I put together, I have list 1 through 5 and a list 4 through 8. On the left hand side I have the numbers that are unique to the first list, 1, 2, and 3. On the right hand side I have the numbers that are unique to the right list, 6, 7, 8. And then 4 and 5 are the intersections between the list. And in Python there's a data structure that deals with unique values and allows you to view intersections, and that's the class method or class set. And of course that set, once we turn one of these lists into a set, has a method intersection. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a function called list overlap. It's going to take in two lists. We'll call the first one A list, which is a list, and then B list, which is also a list. Then we'll return a list, and then we'll turn one of them into a set. Doesn't matter which one, they both will work. Dot intersection B list. Okay. And then we'll separate that. And then we'll print out the result. Okay. And we'll try it out. And there's your answer, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. The instructions were followed. We found the values that are unique to both lists, and it works on two lists of different sizes. Just to prove my point, if I wanted to, I could actually swap A list and B list around, because it doesn't matter which one you turn into a list. Once one of them is in a list, you can have an intersection with another list or another set, a list, or a tuple. We'll run that again, and you get the same answer. So that's list overlap, exercise 5, 7, and 10. Thank you for watching, and I hope you got something out of it.